Good day, students. Okay, the next geometry fact that we will be looking at, these are called opposite angles, or in some textbooks they're called vertically opposite angles. And the geometry fact is that these two angles are equal. Now we could actually go ahead and prove that. We could say, let's call this angle up here A, for example. Well, we know that those two angles add to 180. We know that those two angles add to 180. Since A is common, these two angles must be equal. So that's a very quick little proof that these two angles are equal. Most students don't need that. They can look at that and say, well, it's pretty obvious that they're the same size. Okay, I'll do one and you can do one. So here we have opposite angles, or vertically opposite angles, and the setting out for this couldn't be much easier. W equals 130 degrees. There's no no equation to solve. And the justification for that is opposite angles are equal. Okay, you go ahead and have a go with this next question, please. Okay, welcome back. Well, we can do these in a couple of different orders. I'll start by getting the opposite angle, then I'll get x and z from that. So I can start by saying y equals 42 degrees, and my justification for that is opposite angles are equal. Now once I know that y is 42 degrees, I can use the fact that these two angles make a straight angle, or those two angles make a straight angle. So I can say therefore x is 180, whoops, don't want the degree symbol for that, 180 take 42, so x equals 138 degrees. And the justification for that is angles on a straight line add to 180. And then I could get z by just saying they're opposite angles as well. So z is also 138. And I can use the fact that opposite angles, I'm going to make that a little bit neater, the fact that opposite angles are equal. Okay, so that one's pretty straightforward.